Hello friends, good afternoon. In this CSS tutorial, we are learning very important topics of CSS and how to use it in website. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to use Fontawesome icon and Bootstrap icon. Fontawesome icon and Bootstrap icon are quite often used in websites, say for example, social icon and some other icon we always need to use. So first we see how to use Fontawesome icon. Let's take an HTML boilerplate. How to use icons in website. Let's have an h1 tag. Let's have a div tag with some text. Now inside below the div tag, let's have UL. Now to link a style sheet. To add font or some icons, we have to copy the CDN of font or some icons. Fontawesome has recently updated a latest version. So Fontawesome CDN 6.4. Let's go to the here. This is the latest version. Copy the link and link it here. So Fontawesome icon CDN has been linked. Now go to the Fontawesome icons. Fontawesome free icons. There are premium icons, there are free icons. We have to go to the free icons. Let's see where can I get it. I search it. Icons, these all are free. Let's go to the Facebook. Copy this, paste it. Let's go to search icon. Copy this, paste it. Let's go to Twitter. Copy the code and paste it. Okay. Now open it in live server. See, Fontawesome icon has been displayed. If we want to put it at the middle or at the top, at the right, we can do that. Since it is inside the UL tag, margin auto, it will come at the middle. No, not at the middle. Margin left 400 pixel. Let's see. So it is come here. If we want to move it to the right, float right, just float right. So icon has been moved to the right, but most of the time we need icon at the top or at the footer. Let's move it here. Now see, it is to the right. What we can do, we can div float left. Now it is okay. So most of the time we want to see it at the top right or sometimes in the footer. So this is the way we can use Fontawesome icon by copying the CDN link and paste it inside the HTML head tag. Now let's see how to use Bootstrap icon. Bootstrap icon CDN. For icon there is a short CDN we can use. This is the CDN link for icons. Copy it and paste it here. Bootstrap icons. Okay, now go to the icons. Where is icons? Bootstrap icons. We can also install the SVG and use it, but it is better to use from the web so that in every machine it will be displayed. Let's search Facebook. Copy this. Here also let's UL tag and paste it. Meta Messenger. Copy this. Paste it. Now copy Meta. Paste it. Copy WhatsApp code. Paste it. Now if we go to the live server, what we can see, we see the Bootstrap icon is also displayed. Since why it is at the right side, the UL tag we have put the code inside the UL tag, so UL was style float left. That's why it has come to the left side also. So thank you very much for watching. This is a very important tutorial I have shown. Bootstrap icon and Fontawesome icon is very useful in website. You have to use quite often. Thank you for watching. Continue watching. Please subscribe my channel and please give a like or share if you like my video. Thank you very much.